Okay, we're given this function right here and asked to find the distance from point A to point B. This is the graph for that function, by the way. Desmos right there. By the way, it looks like this is almost a straight line, so the distance formula would give us a good approximation of the actual arc length. So I bet it's pretty close to 7.15. But if you're going to find the arc length between 2 points on a curve, these are the formulas. You have a choice of using dy dx or dx dy in this formula. If you get the y by itself or the x by itself, that gives you your two choices. Okay, so over here, if you want to solve for y or f of x, well, you got to take the cube root of both sides after you've divided by 8 and then add 1. And here's h of y, where you get the x by itself. Take the square root of both sides and then subtract 3. The question is, which one of these leads to something that's easiest to do? There's the setup of each of these integrals. Let's see what happens. I go to board 3. If I work with f of x, f prime of x is equal to this. Square that, and I get this. This is what goes in that formula for arc length, which I wrote as 1 over 9 times x plus 3 to the 2/3. How do you evaluate or find an antiderivative for this? I'm not sure, and I'd rather investigate the other option before I go down that road. So if I find h prime of y, again, I'm taking this 3/2 times 2 radical 2 gives me 3 radical 2, reduce the exponent by 1, square h prime, and I get 18 times y minus 1, or 18y minus. That looks like a lot easier to evaluate. So 1 plus h prime squared gives me 18y minus 17. Use u substitution. I'll let you look that over. When y is 3/2, u is 10. That's why this limit is 10. When y is 3, u is 37. And du is 18 dy, so I need to put an 18 here and a 1/18 out front. And here's what I end up with after I've replaced everything in terms of u. Find the antiderivative of u to the 1/2. Evaluate from 10 to 37. You can write this with rat forms. There's your answer. Pretty close to that 7.15 for the linear distance from A to B. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.